Welcome to another episode of my series, Teching You Out. My name is Chloe George. I am a creative entrepreneur, friends lover, interior designer, lover of all things tech and digital, but most importantly, your new biz BFF. In this series, I will walk you through the ins and outs of the tech software you will need to automate, organize, and elevate your biz so you can get back to doing the things you love most, which is creating. So make sure to check it out. Thank you for downloading your free business binder board. So, just a little bit about what it is. This board is your all-in-one business binder turned digital. Why did I create this? Well, when I first started working from home, I had no clue how to organize all the areas of my business. All the things I needed to run my business were in different locations. I had stuff from my blog and clients on my desktop, Google Drive, checklists in different programs, and more. My system was a complete hot mess. When I'd finally sit down at my desk to work, I'd waste so much time trying to find what I was looking for. I needed a central place to house all of my behind the scenes magic. I searched for different systems and then I decided to create my own. So I've basically done it for you as well. And I'm going to share it here today because sharing is caring. But also, I want you to get on the road to really start organizing your business systems. With this business binder, you can house all of your important business stuff in just one central place. Because we are not here to waste time. We are here to go to where the money resides, where the money resides, where the money resides. Welcome to your free Trello board. Before we begin and I show you all the pieces of it, I'm not going to spend too much time going into details of any of these boards. I'm going to show you how to copy this for yourself. So you're going to, on the right hand side, you should see a show menu with 3 little dots in front of it. You're going to click that. You're going to scroll down to where it says more. And then you're going to scroll down to copy board. This ensures that this board is copied onto you and your personal account so that you can start using it. So let me move me over because she's in the way. So your first section is going to be all about your brand. Anything from a logo to your Facebook group page cover. Your second board or card or list, depends on what you call it. I call it all types of things. It'll be your contact information, then your business references, your websites to look into, etc. Passwords, workflows, your business workflows. It's super important for just keeping the way you want your business run and your client roadmap all in here. Courses that you've taken or are taking with like passwords and anything you can house in this section. Your favorite freebies that could be yours or others that you are currently using and researching. Anything related to social media, your affiliate links, your any other links that you like or want to research stuff. Your dream clients, this is so important for just to keep your dream client always top of mind while you create your content and your product suites or whatever it is that you have going on. You can always keep your dream clients top of mind. You can create a card and always come back to this section of what that dream client entails. Testimonials of everyone. This is so good because all the testimonials that you get for your clients, you can just create a new card and add them all here for use over and over again. Any email sequences that you have going on, you can house them here. Any programs that you are in or creating, any partnerships that you have. Obviously, this is a no-brainer, anything about money and any courses, membership courses that you are creating. So that is your business binder in a nutshell. And I want to make sure that you understand that you can delete, add, change these headers. All of this is super customizable. I gave you a kind of a blueprint, but you can add and remove things as you see fit for your business. I hope that you enjoy it and you are able to join my Trello course so that you can really, really maximize on how to use this business binder, but also a few other binders that I have in store for you. And you can really utilize Trello for everything that it has to offer. I really hope you got some great value out of what I taught you today to really organize and maximize your business processes using Trello. So I will have the Trello binder, which is a great tool that you can use to kind of start organizing that system, and then get into just really using the Trello app to really maximize your workflows and have them make sense and have just one go-to place where you can house everything for your business. Thank you so much again for having me on the Rebel Boss Summit. I loved bringing this information over to you, and thank you again.